Eating breakfast with Obere Chief. I tried to turn it into an Igbo lesson. But Chief was not in the mood to study. He just wanted to enjoy his food. Using his hands to fill his mouth and dancing steps to entertain himself. This chief cannot stay in one place. While eating, he still has to go and check the compound to make sure his kingdom is in order. Chief!